Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm opening more Mini Brands MasterChefs. Let's see what we get. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, you don't smash it. Just trying to be like her brother to crack it open.
Okay, I'll take these.
Let's see, let's open this one. Yes, that's a UV light, the chef hat.
I want, can I take 3?
Sure.
Oh, can you get the last one?
I'm gonna spoil it in a minute and just figure out what it is. Ooh, it's something new? Yeah, is this the vegan chocolate mousse? Cool. Okay, so we have a chef hat. We have some chocolate rolled oats.
Hey, I'm supposed to have those.
That's cute.
Can you give me a last one real quick?
Instructions for the light. A little placemat that's orange. This is a stand that comes with, I think, all of them so far.
Red. We got a red resin cap.
Okay. We have chocolate mousse. I'm not a fan of the mousse. We have raspberry jam and a cap for it. Not a fan of the caps either. Here, I gave it to you. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna rip that one open real quick.
Last but not least.
Last but not least, what does it look like? Okay, so we have some little stems and some strawberries, mint leaves. That's what they are. Container, very similar to the Miniverse, and the tongs. I find the instructions a little bizarre. We're going to put 4 raspberries. I think I might have said these were strawberries earlier. They're raspberries, which leaves us with 1 extra. And then we're going to put the mousse over it, so we're not going to be able to see them at all. But that's what it says to do. How much are we putting on? Doesn't say. Some of the instructions are really specific, and then other ones are not. So, might leave it like that, where you can kind of see the strawberries, or the raspberries, I keep calling them strawberries, through the bowl. It says to add the granola next. Guess we need to hold the chocolate for the end. So let me dump that in my hand. Then I'm gonna sprinkle this around. Looks like you use all of it, though, again, doesn't tell you. Some of the instructions do, some of them don't. But we're gonna go ahead and use all of them because that's what it looks like, just peeking ahead. So it's like that. Then we're going to take this and make like a cute swirl. And then we're going to put the mint leaf and the raspberry in it. Guess I will use the tongs for this. And I think it just shows 1 mint leaf. I might put 2 in, I don't know. Put like that. There. That's cute. And it said the chocolate bar. So like that, and then the sauce. Last thing we're going to do is drizzle some of this raspberry sauce. You kind of have to hold the lid because it comes flying off. It's happened several times. I know there's stuff in there. There we go, it's starting to come out. I'm gonna go like that maybe. Just put a little bit. And now the mousse I don't think is gonna fully harden. We are going to set this with the UV light, the raspberry part I'm putting on it, but the mousse will remain kind of bouncy, and you're supposed to let it set for like 20 minutes, but it actually kind of takes a lot longer. So I think that looks cute. I'll be back to show you the final product. This is the final product. The mousse does kind of retain like a squishiness to it. It's not real stiff like resin, but I think it turned out good. I probably could have put more of the mousse in, But I like that I can see the raspberries at the bottom. Otherwise that felt wasteful to put them in there. But yeah, I think this is cute. So far I've liked it. I think their instructions are pretty good. Yeah, I just have a few more to collect. I'll probably get some more, but check out my channel if you want to see all the ones I've gotten so far. I have them labeled so you don't have to watch every single one. If there's a particular one you want to see, it's in the title. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.